Hey guys, what's up? Let's quickly discuss tomorrow's trade call. That's for 7th of February 2020. So before we get started, the usual disclaimer, right? I'm nobody. I'm just curious about stock markets. I'm not a SEBI licensed investment advisor. My trade calls could go terribly wrong. Be careful, and entering into a trade is your decision. Solely your decision. I might or might not be having the shares that I mentioned in these videos in my portfolio. Please don't assume anything. Okay, I would encourage you to consider these videos for educational purpose and come up with your own strategies. I'm not responsible for your losses, and please don't abuse me if the trade goes against the expectation. I have no intentions to hurt your capital. Derivative tradings, avoid derivative tradings if you are new to trading world. Losses could be traumatizing. Okay, reference materials I have used are Zerodha RCP and NCFM workbook. So previous day's call was Reliance, 1446 was the spot price. Today's lowest was 1440. So we are good. We are in the hunt, right? Continue to hold till the target or stop loss is hit. I think the current spot is around 1460. Okay. Coming to strike rate logic, if the target is hit, the strike rate is 100. If the stop loss is hit, the strike rate would be 0. And we have our first share that has hit the target price. That's ICICI Bank. Our target was 546 and the spot was 516 the day before yesterday, and it has hit the target today. I'll just show you on the graph. So we had bought here, right? I mean, we had asked to buy it here, and if you see here today, it's 547 is the highest today's. Okay, so we're good with ICICI Bank. So 100 strike rate is achieved for ICICI Bank. I hope we would be good going forward. Okay. Coming to basics, a stock market punishes the impulsive and impatient. It rewards the person with discipline and patience, right? If the fear or the devil called fear whispers, you cannot withstand the storm, right? You being the warrior would reply, hey, I am the storm, don't worry, I'll stand everything and anything, right? Patience and psychology are important, right? Sticking to rules is important. Candlesticks, stochastics, volumes, target, and stop loss. Please don't get bored because I'll have the same first two slides for every single video of mine because these are essential, right? So I have to keep these slides for every single day. Okay, so please do forgive me, but yeah, this is something that I can't proceed without. Okay, so for tomorrow I am suggesting an intraday trade, right? Jubilant food, your Domino pizza, right? I'm suggesting to go short on this one. So meaning you'll sell this share in the morning and then you will buy before the trading session closes. Okay, so that's called short. So the current spot is 1867. The target is 1827. Stop loss is 1887. 40 is to 20 points. Okay, so this is just indicative. The reward to risk ratio, you can have 20 is to 10, 15 is to 10, whatever. It's up to you, but I would expect the share to lose at least about 1% again tomorrow. Okay, let's wait and watch. And news, coronavirus seems to be contained. I'm not really sure, but that's the news because all the global markets are back in bullish mode, isn't it? And RBI monetary policy review, it did happen today, and it met street expectations, so that's good for us traders, investors, right? Specific news about Jubilant Food. It's a great company, no doubt about it. It's just the usual correction that I'm expecting would happen tomorrow. Okay, so if at all you don't want to trade something like this, some people don't like this kind of trade. Okay, but anyway, it's part and parcel of the game. So if you don't want to do something like that, it's a good company. Just keep accumulating these shares. Okay, so you'll reap benefits maybe after 2-3 years. Okay, who knows, the share might go and hit 5,000 in the days to come, right? So we'll wait and watch. But anyway, for tomorrow it's a short. We'll sell first and then we'll buy later. Okay, why do we think shorting helps tomorrow, right? That's because bearish engulfing candle is there. Let me show it to you. So yeah, so if you see here we have a big bearish engulfing candle, and then I'm not really sure if these could be called as evening stars or something, but anyway, so this is what is pretty indicative that this share will fall tomorrow. And if you see stochastics, those are overbought conditions, and MACD indicates that bears might have entered. Okay, and yeah, good volumes are there. MACD indicates short position. And one more thing, if you are holding an account with Zerodha, right? So they have a feature called bracket order and cover order, right? I don't get into details, but yeah, if you're aware of these features, using that feature, you could short at least about 22 shares or 20 to 25 shares, right? You don't need to have what, I mean, if at all you have to short with your own funds, you would be requiring about 40,000, right? But that's not needed. So you can short with about 10,000 margin. The rest of the margin would be provided by Zerodha for you because it's an intraday trade. They know it. They know the fact that it will not be. You'll not be losing more than 10,000. Okay, that's essentially what it is. Anyway, so you can short 20 to 25 shares in the morning, and if the share price goes below 15 points, it would be about what, 300 to 400, 300 to 350 rupees of profit, right? It's a nice sweet profit on a single day. That's for 10,000 rupees margin. If you have a lakh, then just imagine what money you could make tomorrow. Okay, but anyway, as usual, the trade call can go terribly wrong, so don't get carried away by what I say. Do your own analysis and then see what you can do. So that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a nice trade tomorrow. All right, cheers, bye.